How to fix front camera not working problem in Android phone. Hello friends, welcome back to another video with solutions for your problem. If you are watching our video for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and also to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any kind of knowledgeable updates from our channel. So friends, if your camera is not working, if it stops unfortunately, or any kind of problems regarding your camera, may it be your front camera or your rear camera, so how to fix it? So first of all, go to your camera and go to your camera settings. Here all you need to do is some basic settings. So here you need to go down to your camera setting and then you'll find a setting called restore default setting, and go to it and restore your camera. So when you restore your camera, what happens is, if you have unknowingly made unwanted settings for your camera, now as it is restored, it comes back to default setting. Now try opening your camera and see whether it works or not. If it works, fine. If it doesn't work, I have another solution. Go to your device settings, then go down to installed apps or app manager or applications also. Now find out camera here and then go into your camera application. Now force stop it, and after that you go to your storage usage and clear all the data. After clearing all the data, go back and go to your app permissions and then allow all the permissions. After allowing all the permissions, now go try opening your camera. Your problem will be definitely solved. The camera will be working. But if it doesn't work, by chance it doesn't work, then you go check out your software update. If there is any new update for your device, then I suggest you to update it to your latest version, because updating software fixes many device problems. So in this way you can fix your camera problem. Hope you like the video. Thank you.